Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be talking about volcano formation. Now, volcanoes are landforms where magma erupts onto the Earth's surface as lava. Now, these can occur at convergent plate boundaries, divergent plate boundaries, and also hotspots. In regards to convergent plate boundaries, you need one continental and one oceanic. Now, the oceanic crust, what it does is it subducts, and then the plate melts, and when it melts it forms magma, which is the fuel for the volcano. If you have two continental crusts colliding, you get a mountain because there's no magma involved. In regards to hotspots, these are spots far away from the plate boundaries where there is a weakness in the crust and the magma can burst through, forming an eruption. Hawaii is an example of an oceanic hotspot. And Yellowstone National Park in America is an example of a hotspot on a continental crust. As it happens, Yellowstone National Park is also a supervolcano, so if it erupts, that's bad news for basically most species on Earth. Anyway, back to the volcano formation. Now, it's quite simple, quite straightforward. I've made a list. Now, we need to know how the Earth is structured. So on top you've got the crust and down below you've got the mantle. Now the mantle is mainly solid, but sometimes it heats up and it melts in places. Okay? We call the melted rock magma, and this is less dense than the rocks surrounding it. So what happens is it rises up. And as it rises up, the pressure builds up, and what it does is it looks for a weakness in the Earth's crust. And when it does so, it bursts through the weakness, and this is called an eruption. And then eventually what happens is the erupted lava, it cools down, forming basically rock. Okay? And over time, this rock builds up, and where the lava is coming out of, you call that the vent. And that's basically how volcanoes form. It's that easy. So no excuses in the exam. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.